My name is Adam Collings for Listen Technologies, and today we're talking about all of the headset options we have for our guided tour system. So Steve, we have a variety of headsets here. How would I choose the one that's going to be best for my needs?
What you would do is determine what your needs are for your particular venue. So depending on what that venue, either background noise, things like that, then that would determine what headset you needed. Okay. So for example, if you were in a very quiet environment, you would probably want to use something that's with just a ear speaker and a microphone. We have these two options. If you're going to be in a windy area, you might want to add a windscreen. Then if it's a little bit more of an area where it's a little bit more noisy, then you'd want to have one where there's a double earmuff, so you have a speaker on each ear.
So this would help me as the tour leader to be able to focus more on the tour if there's additional background noise.
Yeah, this would be great if you're around other tour groups where they're talking about similar things, but you're trying to keep it intimate. Then you'd want to use something with a double earmuff.
Okay, and then what about these ones over here?
These over here are for more harsh environments. You'll notice they cover the ear, and so they do block out a lot of the ambient noise and background noise. And the one over here to the far right is used for construction areas where you have to wear a hard hat to tour the facility.
Okay, so if I'm offering a tour and I wanted to go through multiple areas within my venue, could I use different headsets for the same tour?
Absolutely. You can. These headsets are interchangeable, so you can use them for whatever need you have. So your facility may have quiet areas, it may have noisy areas, it may have areas under construction. So any of these headsets will work for any of those environments.
Great. Okay, well, if you need help choosing the headset that's going to work best for your guided tour, give us a call and let's put together a system that'll work for you.